Hi everyone. Uh, Here is an AI agent how I built, and I will show you how it looks like. Just follow me. This is an AI agent we can share or we can send automatically an email for our clients. Over here, as you can see, this is a trigger. A trigger. This is a chat on trigger. When we have execute, then it will start the steps. And here is our lead or email lists from Google Sheet, and we can import using this credential. The operation should be gross, and as you can see, I have a list of the emails from my Google Sheet. I selected a specific folder. First, there's a list. As you can see, I choose a demo in. Sure. Okay. Yes, demo. So yeah, it is, and we can filter it, but for now it is okay. I'm good to this match only, and I can execute the steps. Then we can get here around company name, website, and email address. Then there is a status. Let me show you quickly what it is here. So next we make this condition, means if the email or the email is already sent, we are not going to execute for the next step. But if it is new or if it doesn't send, we can go for next level. So there is a condition. If the status here is not equal to send, then we can continue. Otherwise, it will stop here. Yes, as you can see, the two branches here, remember, and this one is the false branches. If the email is already sent, it should be the but or as you can see from the Google Sheet also, the status is empty. When it is, that means it is new. It has not sent it already. Next here it is loop. The loop node here is just splitting the text or splitting the data in small wise. So I want to split or the list of emails. So instead of sending one time all of the emails, so we need a small batch. So I'm just splitting into one. So this batch is there, the batch says it is one. So only one email it will be done. But previously, as you can see from the previous node, all the email list has been executed. But here, only one. There's looped lynch branches here, only one is you can see. But there was three, but here it is only one. So we can send or we can execute separately instead of sending all over the world. So because if you want to send, if we send all the emails one time, maybe our email will become flash or spam. So this is very important to note. And the second, this one is I have email templates. So the second Google Sheet, so use this one here. Previously it was the list of emails, but now email templates. So this email templates, it looks like, let me execute here. Here it is. Yeah, this is the email template. Let me show you in Google Sheet. Here is email templates. It executes this one. So this is the email template. Next, we have to merge these two things, right? The email list or the email which is looped from the email list and the template, so we can send it together. So this node is merged, so that combines two items, two inputs from loop over node and inputs from Google Sheet template. So here is two. So this is the combined operation. That is the position. The input number is two. The next executes, then we can get just two together. So this is very important note, the merge method. So if you have two or more inputs to make it together, that merge is important for this. So here it is. See the email or the company information, website, and other. The leads here from this Google Sheet from demo plus the it is subject and body is in template. The email template sheet is here. they come together, because over here we use merge. So we merged them together and become like this. So this one is a code, or yes, code node. The main important node in this, because see here the email template has a default, or yes, default name or placeholder. So as you can see from the subject, there is placeholder place, there is company name, and country should be replaced here. And in the body of the email also same here, country and company name. So this code can fix those things. So I did give this for ChatGPT, and ChatGPT give you this code, and that for company name you just pull this over here, here like this. It is possible. And in the country, here it is a country, you can replace it. Is easy. If you want the full setup or full how it works, I will show you for the next video. But for now, let's go and just quickly and execute this one. Yes, it comes. So here it is. This is a mail. So we are going to send to, finally there is email node. We need email node to send the, okay, let's execute. So yes, it takes a while because there are three minutes, and between I put yes, success is sent. So over here, this is email node. It has been sent the emails, and let me see which email has been get sent. Let me see from here. Okay, this email has been sent, but the status is not updated because we haven't reached there. This is update or update sheet is here on, that's the final. So in between, I just put the white, means a white note that is to give a gap or a time gap between the some operations, between the operations. So instead of sending one time all the emails, so we give a time. How long it takes between the operation. So I put just 1 minute for each. So I said no, but you can put in 5 second, depend on your specification. So I just put this only 1 minute. So this is a white. Here is how you can, there is see after time interval. So if I just execute, it can take it will take 1 minute for each operation. After one sends the first email, then the second email, between sending the first and the second email, there will be 1 minute gap. That is the concept. And this one is merge again, because send and the JavaScript means the code node should be merged together. After merge together, then we will send it to the a Google Sheet that going to update or append over here. Then when we execute this one, it will go and just modify the status or update the status. Let's see the result. We can see we can just execute. See, it is on waited. Well, just one has been already sent. The second email or the second client did not send it. Just it cycled. So as I told you, it is 1 minute is gap between some. So it takes a while. Let's see. Yes, it is executed. Now let's see the result from the Google Sheet node. 3. See, 1 out of 3, 7 out of 3. 303. So let's see that with the Google Sheet if it is updated. Yes, it is sent. So it is already updated. So this is for today's tutorial. It is, I think you get some point. I will create step by step for each nodes and how we can implement for any business. So it is totally free. There is no any cost from here. As you can see, all Google products like Gmail and Google Sheets are there only. There is no other tools. Obviously, the n8n is there is some subscription, but me, I'm using just the local or server I have already installed on my machine using Docker, and it's running for free. If you want any of you to install the n8n and Docker integrate with Docker, then just let me know.